13 quick sandwich recipes for weight loss. Number 1. Smoked salmon sandwich. Number 2. Sunrise sandwich with turkey. Number 3. Low-calorie Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Number 4. Grilled buffalo chicken and blue cheese sandwich. Number 5. Blackened fish sandwich. Number 6. Chicken salad sandwich with raisins and curry powder. Number 7. Grilled chicken sandwich with chimichurri sauce. Number 8. Easy panini. Number 9. Chicken burger with sun-dried tomato aioli. Number 10. Asian-inspired tuna burger with wasabi mayo. Number 11. Caprese sandwich. Number 12. Veggie hummus wrap. Number 13. Greek salad pita pocket.